Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery, with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. In this tutorial, we will walk you through the process of changing the closure system on your Dyson HS01 hairdryer. This task may seem daunting, but with the right tools and guidance, you can do it yourself. Let's get started. First, gather the necessary tools. You will need a T10 Torx screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a soft cloth for cleaning. Ensure you have a clean workspace to avoid losing any small parts. Begin by unplugging the hairdryer from the mains. Safety is paramount, so make sure it is completely powered off. Next, locate the screws on the back of the device. Using your T10 Torx screwdriver, carefully remove the screws. Keep them in a safe place as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently pull apart the casing. Be cautious not to force it, as this could damage the internal components. With the casing off, you will see the closure system. Take a moment to inspect it for any signs of wear or damage. If you notice any debris or dust, use the soft cloth to clean the internal parts. A clean environment is essential for the proper functioning of your hairdryer. If this seems too tricky, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, ensuring you get the best advice for your device. Now, to replace the closure system, carefully detach the old system from its housing. This may require a bit of force, but be gentle to avoid damaging any surrounding components. Once removed, take your new closure system and align it with the housing. Press it firmly into place until you hear a click, indicating it is secure. After the new closure system is in place, it's time to reassemble the hairdryer. Align the casing back onto the device, ensuring all clips and edges fit snugly. Replace the screws using your T10 Torx screwdriver, tightening them securely but not overly so, as this could strip the screws. Before you finish, it's a good idea to test the hairdryer. Plug it back in and turn it on to ensure everything is functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. We provide collection and delivery at your home, making it easy for you to get your device serviced without any hassle. Finally, if you prefer not to tackle this yourself, remember that we offer a quote before repair, so you know exactly what to expect. No calls, no travel, just a simple, efficient service at your convenience. And there you have it. You've successfully changed the closure system on your Dyson HS01 hairdryer. Regular maintenance like this can extend the life of your device and keep it performing at its best. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.